Hey guys, in this quick video, I want to share with you the alternatives that you can use to Adobe After Effects and what are some ones that you can check out. Like the very popular one, DaVinci Resolve, like getting more and more popular each year, but it's like you have to kind of like it to use it. So I many times recommend testing out the tool for yourself if you kind of enjoy it. It's very important. So the DaVinci Resolve 20 is interesting one. Then also another one like Synfig. This one is also great. Now with the Synfig, what you can actually expect is that it's free and open source 2D vector animation, automatic twinning. So this kind of also is interesting one, but it's kind of you actually see what you're gonna get from it. But I wanted to still mention it. The Cavalry is another one that is interesting. Now with the Cavalry, what you're gonna actually expect that you're gonna have free tier available, designed specifically for 2D motion graphics, procedural animation with behavior and effectors like Cinema 4D, for example, and great for data visualization, so character animation, UI animation, modern interface. Now, it's new software, less established, free tier has limitations, not for VFX composition work, and small community. No Linux, Windows, Mac only. But again, this one, Cavalry, is interesting one, and I highly recommend to kind of check it out for yourself. OpenToons is also another one that is interesting. So with the OpenToons, what you can actually expect is free and open source by Studio Ghibli, powerful 2D animation tools, vector, raster animation, frame by frame, cons focus on traditional 2D animation, stable learning curve, dated interface, not for VFX work, and limited tutorials comparing to other tools. But still, this is something that you can also check out for yourself. Maybe you would like it. And of course, very popular one, Blender. This is the last one that I want to mention, that you probably know about it. But Blender is also interesting one. The cases for what you can use it is a little bit different, but still maybe it's going to be beneficial. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value and have a great day.